Do you ever wonder how some people seem to keep getting richer? What are they investing in that keeps their wealth growing? Today, we're going to reveal 21 powerful assets that have made people millionaires. These aren't just typical investments. You'll discover assets that might surprise you. Stay with us until the end, because these tips could change your financial future. Let's get started. 1. Real estate. Real estate is one of the most stable and reliable ways to build wealth. It offers two key benefits: rental income and property appreciation. Owning properties allows you to earn money from rent every month. As time passes, the value of the property usually goes up, giving you even more financial growth. Many millionaires started by buying small properties and expanding from there. Plus, real estate offers tax advantages, making it even more attractive. 2. Dividend-paying stocks. Dividend-paying stocks are like a double reward. You get paid regularly just for owning them, and the stock itself can also grow in value. Wealthy people love these stocks because they provide a steady income. Over time, if you reinvest those dividends, your wealth can grow even faster. It's a way to earn passive income while watching your investments increase in value. 3. Index funds and ETFs. Index funds and ETFs, exchange-traded funds, are popular with those who want long-term, steady growth without a lot of risk. These funds invest in a wide range of stocks, spreading the risk across many companies. Instead of picking individual stocks, you can invest in the whole market. For example, an S&P 500 index fund tracks the 500 largest companies in the U.S., giving you exposure to a large slice of the economy. This is a hands-off way to build wealth slowly but surely. 4. Cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is a high-risk, high-reward investment. Bitcoin and Ethereum are the most well-known, but there are thousands of others. While crypto can be very volatile, it has created many millionaires, especially for those who got in early. However, it's important to only invest what you can afford to lose, because the market can swing wildly. That being said, many see it as the future of finance, and some portion of your portfolio could benefit from it. 5. Peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer lending is a way for people to lend money directly to others, cutting out the banks. Platforms like Lending Club or Prosper allow you to lend small amounts to many different borrowers, and in return, you earn interest. Wealthy individuals use this to diversify their income streams. It's a great way to earn higher returns than traditional savings accounts, but there's also more risk involved, so it's important to lend wisely. 6. Precious metals. Gold, silver, and platinum have been valuable for centuries. These precious metals act as a safe haven during economic uncertainty. When markets go down, the value of metals usually goes up. Wealthy people invest in gold and silver to protect their wealth from inflation or economic downturns. They don't necessarily make you rich quickly, but they offer security in tough times. 7. Rental properties. Owning rental properties is one of the best ways to create passive income. You buy a property, rent it out, and collect rent every month. Meanwhile, the property itself is likely to appreciate in value over time. This double benefit, cash flow and appreciation, makes rental properties a favorite among millionaires. It's also a relatively stable investment since people will always need a place to live. 8. Art and collectibles. Fine art, rare coins, and collectibles are another way the wealthy grow their wealth. These items can appreciate greatly in value over time. For instance, a rare painting or a limited edition watch could be worth far more in the future. However, it takes knowledge and expertise to invest wisely in these types of assets. Collectibles are more of a long-term investment, but for those with patience, they can pay off big. 9. Farmland. Investing in farmland has become more popular, especially as food demand increases worldwide. Farmland produces crops and livestock, providing a steady income. Additionally, farmland tends to appreciate in value over time. It's a long-term investment that wealthy people use to diversify their portfolios. Farmland also offers some protection against inflation, because the price of food tends to rise with inflation. 10. Private equity. Private equity involves investing in private companies, often before they go public. Wealthy people invest in private equity because it offers the potential for massive returns if the companies perform well. However, it's riskier than public stocks because private companies aren't required to disclose as much financial information. That said, the rewards can be huge for those who invest early in successful businesses. 11. Luxury real estate. Luxury real estate, such as penthouses, beachfront homes, or large estates, tends to hold its value better than regular properties. Wealthy individuals invest in high-end real estate as it provides both status and strong potential for appreciation. These properties often generate substantial rental income or can be sold at a significant profit when the market is right. Luxury real estate is seen as a more secure asset, especially in high-demand areas. 12. Startups and venture capital. Investing in startups can be risky but incredibly rewarding. Many of the world's top billionaires got their start by investing in small companies that later became giants. Like Apple or Google, venture capitalists provide funding to startups in exchange for equity. If the company succeeds, the returns can be astronomical. It's high risk, but for those willing to take the chance, it can lead to massive wealth. 13. Intellectual property. Owning. Intellectual property, IP, such as patents, trademarks, or copyrights, can generate long-term income. Once you own IP, you can license it to others or earn royalties every time it's used. Musicians, authors, and inventors often make money from their intellectual property for years after creating it. This is a passive form of income that can continue to grow over time. 14. High-interest savings accounts and CDs. While not the most exciting investment, high-interest savings accounts and certificates of deposit, CDs, provide a safe, guaranteed return. Wealthy people often park their cash in these accounts for short-term savings. These accounts don't offer huge returns, but they are secure and provide liquidity, which can be useful for large future purchases or emergencies. 15. Bonds. Bonds are loans that investors make to governments or corporations in exchange for regular interest payments. They are less risky than stocks and provide a predictable stream of income. Bonds are often seen as a safer investment, particularly during times of market volatility. While the don't offer high returns, they provide stability, which is why many millionaires include them in their portfolios. 16. Franchise ownership. Owning a franchise is a great way to own a business without starting from scratch. Many millionaires build wealth by owning multiple franchise locations. A franchise offers the benefit of a proven business model and brand recognition. You get the support of an established company, and in return, you earn profits from running the franchise. 17. REITs, real estate investment trusts. REITs allow you to invest in real estate without actually owning property. These trusts pool investors' money to buy income-generating properties like shopping centers or office buildings. They pay out dividends, giving investors a steady income. REITs are a great way to invest in real estate without dealing with the hassles of managing properties yourself. 18. Luxury goods. Luxury goods like designer watches, jewelry, and rare handbags can appreciate in value over time. Wealthy individuals often invest in high-end items that hold or increase their value. While these goods also serve as status symbols, they can be sold for a profit if chosen wisely. Luxury items are considered a niche investment, but can offer strong returns. 19. Hedge funds. Hedge funds pool money from wealthy investors and use complex strategies to generate high returns. They can invest in stocks, bonds, commodities, or other financial instruments. Hedge funds are riskier than mutual funds, but have the potential for much higher returns. This makes them attractive to those looking for aggressive growth. 20. Commodities. Oil, gas, agriculture. Commodities are raw materials like oil, gas, and agricultural products. Wealthy people invest in these assets to hedge against inflation and market instability. Commodity prices can rise during times of economic uncertainty, making them a valuable addition to any portfolio. These investments tend to do well when other markets struggle. 21. Owning a business. Perhaps the most powerful way to build wealth is by owning a business. Many millionaires are entrepreneurs who started, scaled, and eventually sold their businesses. Owning a business gives you control over your income and allows you to create something of lasting value. Whether it's a local shop or a tech startup, owning a business can generate significant wealth over time. Even small businesses, when managed well, can be incredibly profitable. These 21 assets have the power to grow your wealth and secure your financial future. Whether you're just starting or already on your wealth-building journey, incorporating some of these assets into your financial strategy can make a huge difference. Remember, building wealth isn't about getting rich quickly. It's about making smart, long-term decisions. By diversifying your investments and focusing on assets that generate income and appreciate over time, you're setting yourself up for lasting financial success. If you found value in today's video, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips on building wealth and improving your financial future. Leave a comment below and let us know which asset you're most excited to start investing in. And of course, feel free to share this video with anyone you think could benefit from these wealth-building insights. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.